Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video, I'm going to share how to layer skincare products. There are so many different steps in a skincare routine that we now usually follow, and it can get a bit overwhelming to know what is the correct order to layer the skincare products and how to layer the skincare products. So in this video, you'll find all of those answers. Please continue watching. First step is cleansing. Cleansing is the first step which we need to do in order to start with the skincare routine. For nighttime skincare routine, there are two different types of cleansing which you need to do if you have worn makeup and or sunscreen throughout the day. Double cleansing ensures all of the makeup residue has come off your skin, and all other dirt, makeup residues and sunscreen has been broken down completely, because a lot of sunscreens are formulated in such a way that a regular cleanser is not able to remove it off completely. There are like water resistant sunscreens too, so you need to ensure that you use a oil based cleanser to break down the entire sunscreen or waterproof makeup or both of them, and then you need to follow it up with a regular face wash. I have already made a very detailed review on how I do follow a double cleansing system. I'll link the video down in the description box below. Okay, now let's move on to step number 2, and that is face mask. A face mask is not done every single day. We use a face mask once or twice a week. So on those days of the week where you'll be using a face mask, it should be used after cleansing. I have seen some videos where people apply face mask on a face which is already filled with a lot of makeup. Don't do that. That's not how it is done. Face mask should always go on a clean face. So after cleansing, the next step is face mask if you will be doing a face mask on that particular day. If not, you can skip this step and directly jump into the next step. After the face mask has dried up and you need to remove it, just rinse it off with water. No need to cleanse it again. Third step is toner. If you use a toner in your skincare routine, this is where you can apply it after cleansing the face and on the day where you're doing a face mask. After cleansing and face mask is where you would need to apply a toner. You can apply a toner using a cotton pad and just rubbing it all over the face, or you can simply take a little bit of toner on your palms and apply it evenly all over the face. So if you don't use a toner, you can directly skip this step and move on to step number 4. Step number 4 is serum. If you have introduced a serum in your skincare routine, this is where you can apply the serum after cleansing the face mask and toner. The first thing which you need to introduce in your skincare routine is serum. As you are following all these steps, different steps in your skincare routine, please make sure that you keep a gap of a few minutes in between applications. Don't directly layer everything all at once, because whatever products that you are applying, it needs to get absorbed into the skin. Another thing is, you can keep your skincare routine very simple. You don't need to have 10-20 different steps in your skincare routine. Simple it is, the better it will be and more beneficial it will be for your skin. Also, another important thing is, the skincare routine cannot be the same throughout the years and throughout the different climates. You need to keep changing and adapting as per your skin needs and your skin concerns and as per the climate that is there. So because basis that you need to switch up your moisturizer or certain face wash which doesn't work during certain climates, or if you have a certain skin conditions which you need to treat, so you have to keep changing your routine basis that. Step number 5 is moisturize. After using a serum, the next step is to moisturize. So you have oily skin or dry skin, it is very important to moisturize. Another thing is, if you're doing any form of a spot treatment, like if you have acne breakouts and you're doing a spot treatment using some spot treatment gel or aloe vera gel, this is where you can apply it after applying your moisturizer. After the moisturizer is absorbed, then you can apply your spot treatment gel or any kind of spot treatment that you're doing. You can apply it on top of the moisturizer once the moisturizer has been absorbed into the skin. Sixth step which you need to follow during daytime skincare routine only is sunscreen. The last step in your skincare routine should be the application of sunscreen. Whatever sunscreen that you're applying, it will give you the maximum SPF protection when it is the last product that you're applying on your skin, because sunscreens are meant to give you SPF protection from the sun. It is very important and beneficial for the skin to use a sunscreen because it helps to prevent tanning, premature aging, and all of the dark spots and pigmentation and other skin concerns. So if you want to avoid having these problems in the future, make sure that you do apply a sunscreen. So this is the order in which you can layer your skincare products. I hope you found something helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure that you subscribe for more videos related to skincare. You'll find more videos from the description box below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.